Welcome, digital pioneers. You're tuned into our channel, your gateway to the future of finance. If you're as intrigued by the potential of digital finance as we are, you've come to the right place. We're exploring the rapidly evolving landscape of financial technology, from cryptocurrencies to central bank, digital currencies, and even telecom banking. But before we dive into the deep end, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way, you won't miss out on any of our explorations into this exciting new frontier. So get ready to challenge what you know, think outside the box, and join us on this thrilling journey towards the future of digital finance. Stay tuned and let's get started. What if the future of finance is not what we think it is? Picture a world where the concept of money as we know it has been completely reimagined. A world where digital finance reigns supreme and the paradigms of financial transactions have been completely revolutionized. That future is not as far off as you might think. In the rapidly evolving landscape of digital finance, we're seeing the rise of innovative systems that threaten to upend traditional banking and currency models. Three contenders stand out in this brave new world: central bank digital currency, or CBDC, cryptocurrencies, and telecom banking. Each of these systems brings to the table novel ideas and technologies that have the potential to redefine the financial sector as we know it. Let's start with central bank digital currency. Imagine a world where your money is not just digital, but is issued and regulated by your country's central bank. This is not just a concept. Many nations are actively exploring the idea of CBDCs as we speak. They promise a future where transactions are quicker, more secure, more transparent, with the backing of your national government. Then we have the world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others, each with their unique attributes and potential, represent a financial frontier that has already begun to reshape how we think about money. Cryptocurrencies offer a decentralized peer-to-peer system that operates outside the traditional banking structure, providing a level of freedom and privacy that is both exciting and, for some, a bit daunting. Lastly, we have telecom banking. The mobile phone in your pocket could be the key to a new era of banking, one where traditional banks are replaced by telecom companies, and transactions are as simple as sending a text message. Telecom banking offers a potential solution to the problem of financial inclusion, bringing banking services to the unbanked and underbanked populations of the world. As we delve deeper into each of these systems, you might find yourself questioning what you thought you knew about digital finance. So, buckle up and let's embark on this fascinating journey together. Imagine a world where your money is entirely digital, controlled by the central bank. That's CBDC for you. Central bank digital currency, or CBDC, is a new concept that's making waves in the financial world. It's essentially a digital form of a nation's currency, issued and regulated by its central bank. It's like having cash, but in a digital form. One of the primary benefits of CBDCs is increased efficiency. No more waiting for bank transfers to go through or dealing with the hassle of physical money. Everything happens instantly, at the click of a button. Another benefit is lower transaction costs. Traditional banking involves numerous intermediaries, each taking a cut along the way. With CBDCs, you're dealing directly with the central bank, eliminating many of these costs. But what about the risks? Well, there are a few. Privacy is a major concern. With all transactions recorded and controlled by the central bank, the potential for surveillance is high. Also, there's the risk of decreased bank intermediation. If everyone starts dealing directly with the central bank, what happens to the traditional banking sector? Now let's talk about growth potential. The success of CBDCs hinges on a couple of factors. One is government support. Central banks need to be willing to take the leap and fully embrace this technology. The other factor is technological advancements. The infrastructure for CBDCs needs to be robust and secure enough to handle the demands of an entire nation's financial transactions. As of now, several countries are already testing CBDCs, and many more are exploring the idea. It's an exciting time, and the potential for change is immense. However, CBDCs aren't the only digital currency vying for dominance. There are also cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum and other forms of digital money. So while CBDCs present a compelling vision of the future, they're not the only game in town. CBDCs present a compelling vision of the future, but they're not the only game in town. Cryptocurrencies, the digital Wild West where fortunes are made and lost overnight. Picture a financial frontier that's as thrilling as it is unpredictable. That's the world of cryptocurrencies. Born from the tech-savvy corners of the internet, these digital currencies have stepped into the limelight, challenging our traditional understanding of money. At the heart of cryptocurrencies is the promise of decentralization, a world where financial transactions aren't governed by banks or governments, but by the people who use them. Imagine, no more middlemen, no more hefty transaction fees, just free-flowing digital exchanges happening at the speed of the internet. And let's not forget the potential for high returns. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen their value skyrocket in a relatively short period, turning early adopters into overnight millionaires. The allure of such returns has drawn in a new wave of investors, all eager to stake their claim in this digital gold rush. But as with any frontier, there's a degree of peril that comes with the promise. The price of cryptocurrencies is notoriously volatile, soaring to dizzying heights one moment and plunging the next. Then there are the regulatory issues. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate these digital currencies, and the rules can change at a moment's notice, adding another layer of uncertainty to the mix. Despite these risks, the growth potential of cryptocurrencies is undeniable. Market adoption is on the rise with more and more businesses accepting digital currencies. And let's not forget the technological innovation driving this sector. Blockchain, the underlying technology of cryptocurrencies, is a game changer with potential applications that extend far beyond digital currencies. So, where does this leave us? Well, cryptocurrencies represent a bold new frontier in finance, one that promises to redefine how we transact. They're risky, yes, but also ripe with potential. And as we continue to innovate and adapt, who knows what the future holds? Cryptocurrencies are certainly exciting, but they're not the only alternative to traditional banking. Stay tuned as we delve into another contender in the digital finance arena. Telecom Banking, a system where your phone becomes your bank. Sounds convenient, doesn't it? But what exactly is it? Well, Telecom Banking is a form of financial service that allows you to carry out transactions directly from your mobile device. It's banking literally at your fingertips, anytime, anywhere. Think about it. No more waiting in line at the bank, no more searching for a nearby ATM. Your phone is your bank, your wallet, and your financial advisor, all rolled into one. It's not just about convenience, it's about accessibility too. In many parts of the world where traditional banking infrastructure may be lacking, Telecom Banking can offer a lifeline, connecting people to the global economy. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Like any system, Telecom Banking comes with its own set of risks. Security is a major concern. We've all heard of data breaches and hacking incidents. When your phone is your bank, it's also a prime target for cybercriminals. Not to mention, the whole system hinges on technology. If your phone is lost, stolen, or simply runs out of battery, you could be left high and dry. However, the potential for growth is substantial. With the rapid rise in mobile penetration worldwide and the increasing comfort level with technology, Telecom Banking is poised to scale new heights. Regulatory support is another key factor. In many jurisdictions, regulators are beginning to recognize the potential benefits of telecom banking and are laying down rules to govern its operation, providing a boost to its growth prospects. Telecom banking may not grab the headlines like central bank digital currencies and cryptocurrencies, but it shouldn't be underestimated. It's a dark horse that has the potential to revolutionize the way we manage our finances. With its unique blend of convenience, accessibility, and potential for growth, Telecom Banking may just be the one to watch in the race for the future of digital finance. So, which of these systems will emerge victorious in the battle for the future of finance? From the onset, we've delved into the intricacies of each system. The central bank digital currency, or CBDC, holds the promise of a regulated and secure digital economy, backed by the trust and stability of a central bank. It's a system that can revolutionize the way we conduct transactions while maintaining the traditional principles of finance. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, offer a paradigm shift from the status quo. Their decentralized nature and the underlying blockchain technology provide a level of transparency and security that's hard to match. But with the potential for high reward comes high risk, and the volatility of the crypto market is a testament to this. Then there's telecom banking, the dark horse in this race. With its ease of access and user-friendly interface, it has the potential to bring banking to the most remote corners of the world. It's the embodiment of financial inclusion. but its success hinges on the penetration of telecom services and the willingness of people to adapt. So, who will take the crown in this digital finance revolution? The answer is not straightforward. It's a dynamic interplay of technological advancements, regulatory decisions, and public adoption. Technological innovation will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Regulators, on the other hand, will have the tough job of balancing innovation with risk. And ultimately, it will be the people who decide which system they trust and prefer. The future of digital finance is still unwritten, and it's anyone's guess which system will come out on top. One thing's for sure, though. It's going to be a fascinating ride.